Welcome to Core Academy. My name is Martin Shaw and I'm your trainer for today. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your Core remote to a Wi-Fi hotspot using the OBD Wi-Fi Connect from the Play Store. So firstly, we need to go to the Play Store to download the OBD Connect app. When in the Play Store, you need to type in OBD Wi-Fi Connect and install. Once the app's installed, open the app. Following the instructions in the app, we will now reset the remote. To do this, use the reset pin which you'll find in your box. Turn the remote over, hold the pin in for 2 seconds. This will reset the Wi-Fi. Once we have reset the remote, we can now hit proceed. Next, enter the number off the back of the remote. Once you've entered your device number, press connect. The Wi-Fi hotspot will now try to connect to the remote. Your remote will now display all available Wi-Fi networks. Please select your hotspot from the list. Now input your password for your hotspot device. Once completed, press connect. The device will now connect to your hotspot network. This may take up to 60 seconds. Once connected, the green light on your Ethernet port will be solid. Now your device is ready to use.